Hi, it's Susan Bruck. Miss Susan, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I wanted to share a simple mindfulness practice with you. So, I have had a meditation practice for over 30 years. I love meditating and I highly recommend it. But this is just something that you can incorporate into your day. It's just pause, inhale, exhale. I call it pie. There's always time for pie. Pause, inhale, exhale. So I wanted to just share a little story about how I came to this practice. When my daughter Rachel, she's now 30, but when she was 1 and just learning how to walk, she fell down a lot, as many children do. And so as soon as she fell down, I would rush over her because, in my alarm, oh my gosh, are you okay? Are you okay? And she always started to cry when I did that. And what I came to realize was that it was my reaction that she was reacting to, not necessarily the fall. So I just trained myself and practiced to, when she fell down, to pause and just take a deep breath in and out and observe how she reacted. And sometimes she would just get up and keep going. Sometimes she would cry. But even if she needed some loving attention from me, I wasn't in a panic. I would just walk over and help her up or sit down with her or hold her or whatever it seemed like she needed in the moment. But at least she didn't have to deal with my panic on top of whatever else was going on in her life. So I've incorporated this practice into all sorts of things. I still use it when I work with children. Um, when I start to feel a little overwhelmed, I will just pause and take a deep breath and exhale and just take a moment to assess both myself and what's going on with the children. I do it when my computer does crazy things, and I find computers much more frustrating than children often. But even with my machines, I will just pause, inhale, exhale, and just remind myself that it's nothing personal. And what I need to do is figure out step by step what to do. So I highly recommend that you try this. Remember, there's always time for pie. Just stop for a moment. Take a deep inhale if you can, and a nice slow exhale. And if it helps, and if you have a hand free, you can put your hand on your stomach, and so you can feel it expand and contract because you want to do belly breathing. Fill your belly with that yummy pie. Um, yeah, just practice it. If you forget to do it, try to remember the next time and let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear from you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for listening.